That's an update on my building. Sitting outside waiting for Steven to come pick me up because he's late. Love you. At least it's nice out. Hey vlog! So today is, I think around June 15 or something like that. I'm just taking you with me to do some shopping and errands. I have to go to IKEA, get some frames. I bought some yesterday, but then of course, idiotically, I just bought things without thinking about it and they don't fit. And then I have to go to the bank, I gotta go to Walmart, Marshalls, all over. This will be fun. Hey vlog, made it to IKEA. Actually, IKEA was my last stop. Got myself an ice cream for $1. My other errands were not as interesting as IKEA was. I bought all my frames, so hopefully they work this time. My ice cream is melting, so I need to eat it before it melts. Okay, this is a vlog update because I have been crazy busy doing stuff. I hung this super cute thing up in my bathroom. Adorable, right? And then I just hung up my curtains and I hung up the rod and all that stuff. Now I'm hanging these things on the wall and I'm gonna hang my clock somewhere. I'm trying to figure out a good thing. Probably a good thing that you can't see me. Hopefully it's dark. I just ran some stairs. So yeah. I don't know, I just had this random impulse come on me. I'm like, I'm gonna go run some stairs. So I did it. I did I did it 3 times and I did 2 halves. So basically 4 times. So we'll see how I feel tomorrow. Tomorrow my plan, and I'm gonna tell you guys so that I stick to it. I'm gonna try to wake up at 8:30, be at the library at 9, around there. And I wanna write my essay, like, cause I was looking at the dates, I'm like, crap, I'm like busy. So anyway, hopefully I do that. I'm not gonna finish it, of course, but I wanna get a big chunk done. So, we'll see, okay. So vlog, someone's probably looking at me right now, but what to do? I did my work. Some of it what I wanted to do, and now I'm stuck downtown. So Steven's gonna come pick me up. Thank you.
Oh hey, oh hey.
Hi vlog, welcome back. We're currently on our way to my parents' house. We're almost by Vaughan Mills / Canada's Wonderland. Because I have to work tomorrow and it's Father's Day, so we're gonna do it on Saturday.
I'm just excited to be here too.
Steve has been absent in the vlog this week. He's been working.
Working like a dog.
And oh, update, yesterday I was at the library. I didn't go as early as I hoped, but you should hear my story. I went to the library, it was closed, so I had to take an Uber to the other library, and that's where I did my work. And I got like a 1.5 pages done out of 10 pages, so I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I did a lot of researching and I'm pretty happy with what we got so far, so. Thanks for being so supportive of me.
Dean Baxman, summa cum laude.
You getting it, Mom?
Arafin Ballet.
Yeah, it is.
Jennifer Karen Van Dyke.
Woo!
Karen Van Zuyden.
Oh, another ducky.
Michael Verde.
Oh, so nice.
Daniel Bo
Kind of. Uh-oh. Steven? Uh-oh.
Jode.
I'm paddling!
Yeah, well, we just take a break maybe for. I think you're going too fast. Can't control it.
Okay, 1 second, but I feel like it's as...
Jode, where are we?
Okay, right now, we're in Coot's Paradise, canoeing.
Yeah.
I'm doing a pretty good job, except for that last thing you saw. I'm not writing my essay for this, so hope I get good on it.
Did you tell everyone what you got on it? The first one?
I don't think I did.
No. She didn't want to brag. She got 100%.
This is true. I think that's why I'm so anxious for this next one, because I don't want to get crap.
Yeah. But here you are.
Whatever. Okay, well now we're stuck.
Okay.
Okay, vlog, low-key kind of scared. But look at the swans. Are they dangerous?
A little bit.
Are you serious? Steven. We're reversing.
We'll just let them do their thing.
Looks so cute, just like...
Unless their thing is coming and attacking us, then we will not let them do their thing.
True. That can go down. Vlog, Steven keeps telling me that there's alligators in this water, and I really don't believe him, but please tell me it's not true, right?
We will never know.
Vlog's back out because Steve's doing all the work, and I'm sitting here looking cute, kind of, except pictures tell me otherwise.
His boyfriend tells you otherwise.
He's really a keeper, that one. I brought some fun drinks, so we're drinking. You should have seen Steve. He had to open the can so slow so nobody heard him.
Well, there's a lot of people out here.
There was. We actually saw some people that we knew. Shout out to those people.
Maybe some undercover cops.
Well, we didn't know them. We kind of knew. Anyway, we're almost at the opening. I guess I should help. Slow-mo. Comment down below what you guys think of Steve's hat. Real, honest opinions only. Happy Sunday. I'm in the same bench again. Steven's picking me up again because church is now like 3 minutes down the road from me. It's awesome. And it's beautiful out. I got this new dress. It's hard to see. It cost me freaking a lot of money though, so I don't even like it that much, but now I'm just wearing it because I have to. It sucks. Here's Steve. Late again. Just kidding, he's actually not. I'm just early today.